Hi everyone, we are going to understand what is Microsoft Tenant in this short video. Microsoft Tenant is a unique identifier which looks something like this with ending with onmicrosoft.com. This is a tenant address or identifier for an existing as well as for a new customer. New customer has to provide this unique name. If it is available, they can go and create a new tenant. If it is an existing one, they should have one, and the reseller should know that tenant for him to go and add any products on the existing tenant. Each tenant can host all of these products except Azure. It's a unique identifier, so it can be one for a customer. Doesn't mean that they cannot create more. They can create more, but then recommended is that you have one tenant for all product subscriptions and one for Azure, whether it is open, and if it is for CSP, then you can create one more. Treat this as a domain name or a unique identifier, which is pretty much unique, and the easiest thing to do is use the domain name as the unique identifier. For example, ingrammicro.com is the domain name of the company, and the tenant can become ingrammicro.onmicrosoft.com. So this is the easiest way, but then if that domain name is not available, then you can choose something else. So that's what it's, in a simple words, what is Microsoft Cloud Tenant means. When it comes to Microsoft Azure, there are three different scenarios where you will still have to go and create a new Azure CSP tenant. The first one is if the customer has an existing Azure tenant purchased under open in past, you still have to go and create a separate Azure CSP tenant for the reasons and limitations in the way it is done. If the customer has existing Office 365 tenant under open or any other product, and if he has an existing tenant, then you still have to go and create a new Azure CSP tenant. If they do not have any Azure services in past, then also you will have to go and create a new tenant. So that's the only extra thing you need to know about a tenant and when you're dealing with CSP. For any further information, stay in touch with us by visiting our website ingrammicrocloud.me or email us on sales@ingrammicrocloud.me. Thank you.